Well, good morning, guys. I've been busy here the last couple of weeks, and Incredible Classic Tractors was asking me if I could make if I had made any more progress, and yes, I have. The load-bearing wall is out, and the doors are out here, and the wall upstairs is also out, and I've made the floor whole again where the stairs were. So now you can see how big the room is going to get. Very satisfied with that. I will still have to replace this this power board. There's going to be a new cabinet for that, approximately about the same place. And well, I'm going to show you upstairs where I made a new wall for the bedroom. Of course, it's going to be plated up on this side also with the gypsum board and the same wooden board you see on the other side, but that's going to be later. I made some supports there for the roof beams, because it was a load-bearing wall. I made it a little bit more sturdy. But of course we're going to have to sleep there also, so I've made a temporarily wall in there. Yeah, of course this wall is going to stay, but it's going to be a little bit nicer after a while when I am ready downstairs. Last week I've made this door myself. In store they cost 400 euros like this, and I've made this one for the materials 75 euros, including the how do you call them? Well, you know what I mean, I think. I can't come up with the name. The inside looks like this. I'm very pleased with that. I've made some interlocking joints. It was a little bit more work, but we're going to have to enjoy this door for many years after this, so I wanted to make it nice. Well, this was the update for now. This is of course the new stairs from above. And I've made these things, switches like this, so it can't hurt the children. They were hanging all around, and I've made it a little bit different to a place where I don't have to be busy for a while. And it's handy because we always use it here when we go up stairs and downstairs. Again, the next step is going to be to take out this floor and make it ready for concrete. I can't wait. And of course this is the finish. This is my little second video because I was disturbed by my little daughter, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers now, so I have to make up a nice little video when I hit that. Any new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I'm pleased you like to watch it, and I know don't do it for nobody. So thanks for joining the group, and see you on the next video, and it will be probably because I have hit 100 subscribers. So people, see you on the next time.